Question 6. A student was asked to find the center of mass of a thin sheet of card. Figure 3 shows the result of the student's experiment. So we have the card here with holes and lines passing through. Question 6a. 1. Draw a label diagram of the setup used to find the center of mass. Now, if you remember, this was our first practical, our first lab report. So we have the retort stand that is supporting a pin, and the lamina and the plumb line are hanging from that pin. The pin is indicated in purple so that you can figure out the different parts. Question A2. Describe how the student found the correct positions to draw the two lines. So here basically what we have to write is the method we used to do the practical. Having set up the apparatus as shown in the previous question, the lamina was hung from the hole and was allowed to hang freely and come to rest. A plumb line was added in front of it and also allowed to hang freely and come to rest. A pencil was then used to mark crosses on the lamina where the plumb line was passing. The lamina and the plumb line are then removed and the crosses connected together with a line done in pencil. This procedure is repeated for all three holes on the lamina. Question B. The student drew two lines onto the card. Explain how the student can check that the position found for the center of mass is accurate. The student can check by placing his finger on the point where the lines meet and trying to balance it. If it balances, then that is indeed the center of mass. Remember, we said that the definition of a center of mass or center of gravity is that it is the point where all the weight seems to be acting. So if you were to try and lift an object by placing your finger next to the center of mass, you should be able to. So if the card balances and can be lifted without falling over by placing his finger on the point where the lines meet, then that is indeed the center of gravity, the center of mass. And that concludes question 6.